So in today's video, I want to discuss the difference between mapping with the eye open and closed. I'll kind of walk you through how I map, and my reason for doing this is because if you map with the eyes closed only, you're going to notice that sometimes it'll work out, but other times your mapping will be a little bit deceiving and your set will look much different when the client's eye is open, which is the way that they're gonna see their lashes always. So it's really important that we map that set out before beginning and with their eyes open. So here's kind of how I do it. I line, you can use a wand or whatever you need, popsicle stick people use, but I line up and put dots where the beginning of the eye is. So for her, about right here. So I'm gonna take my Sharpie, line this up, show you the difference between where my dots would be with her eye closed afterwards. And just wanna make a note that I would always get them to look straight ahead while I'm mapping. So these dots actually show exactly where the eye opens and closes. So with her eye open, her eye looks like it closes, or sorry, like it ends right here. That's where it'll end, just double check. And then the outside of her eye, and the other outside, and then the middle of her pupil. And then we have where her eye begins on the inside. So I'm gonna get you to close for a second. And if you can see here, her eyelashes actually go all the way out further. So if I were to map with her eyes closed, I would have put my dot right here, which is a very big difference. And I would have assumed that the middle of her eye was about right here. And then it ends about in the same spot. But this just shows the difference between mapping with the eye open and closed. So by mapping with the eye open, I know that at this point here, is when I wanna start directing my lashes up, not out. So I'm gonna work with direction from there, and I'm gonna really drop my lengths down in those areas because I want the set to look like it finishes right here.